家好，欢迎来到 Daily Mandarin. I'm your host, a native Mandarin speaker. Every episode, we learn one useful Mandarin word that you can start using right away. Today's word is 吃. 吃. It means to eat. Let's get started. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 吃. Again. 吃. One more time. 吃. 吃 uses the first tone. Keep your voice high and steady, like you're holding a note. 吃. 吃. Now, let's build your Mandarin. 吃水果. 吃水果. Eat fruit. 我吃水果. 我吃水果. I eat fruit. 我吃早餐. 我吃早餐. I eat breakfast. 我吃面. 我吃面. I eat noodles. 我吃饭. 我吃饭. Literally, it means I eat rice. But in Mandarin, 我吃饭 can also mean I'm having a meal. Imagine a friend asks, 你吃饭了吗? 你吃饭了吗? Did you eat? And you answer, 我吃了. 我吃了. I ate. I did. Or, 我还没吃. 我还没吃. I haven't eaten yet. You'll hear this type of conversation every day in Mandarin. You'll often hear native Mandarin speakers say, 吃醋. 吃醋. Literally, it means to eat vinegar, but that's not what it really means. It means someone is jealous, especially in a romantic relationship. Here's a story. During the Tang Dynasty, Emperor wanted to reward his loyal minister by giving him several beautiful women as concubines. But the minister's wife strongly refused. She would not allow them into their home. The emperor became frustrated, so he handed this lady a cup and gave her an ultimatum. Either accept the concubines or drink this poison. Without any hesitation, she drank the entire cup. To everyone's surprise, it wasn't poison at all. It was vinegar. The emperor was so impressed by her loyalty and determination that he gave up the idea. From then on, the story spread, and 吃醋 became a humorous way to describe someone who is jealous in love. Now, imagine a girlfriend says to her boyfriend, why do you keep looking at that girl's photos on social media? The boyfriend smiles and says, 你吃醋了. 你吃醋了. Of course, he doesn't actually mean she's eating vinegar. He means she's feeling jealous. And that's today's daily Mandarin word, 吃. 吃. Let's practice together 3 times. 吃. 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 Now it's your turn. What do you usually eat? Can you make one sentence using 吃? Write it in the comments below. I'd love to read your Mandarin. 好，大家下次见咯. See you next time, everyone. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a word.